Welcome, my friends, to Lawnmower Game Racing, the greatest game known to man because it's so utterly retarded. And no, retarded isn't a slur. You're just a liberal. Let's get into it. We're gonna play. Nope, went too far. Racetrack 2. And so the race begins. It is time for funny. Oh god, I'm drifting. Oh god, it's quality. Get the barrel, get the barrel. No, I lost. That's not cool. Let's retry that. I wanna win. Just because that quality drift. Yeah, I won. I'm great. I'm great at this game. I won. Therefore, I'm the best. Don't at me. Anyways, that was 2 rounds, 2 laps even, of Lawnmower Game Racing. This game is great, by the way. I've only played it a little bit, but I already love it. That's just because it's just because of how bad it is. It's so bad it's great. But then again, it's also good because it has a really bopping soundtrack. You play like some of the other levels. Um, One more thing to note: Big Twan Eli. Uh, you can just you can find him on YouTube just by looking up Big Twan Eli. Uh, um, Capital every first letter, no spaces. Twan is all caps, and that's it. Well, actually no. Capital B and then lowercase ing and then capital TWO on or TWON, not on, and then a lowercase Eli. I'm gonna be playing some Phasmophobia at some point or another, or maybe some other games. Probably, I don't know, maybe Among Us or Left 4 Dead 2, or some of that fun stuff at a later date. Maybe even today. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure it out with him. Uh, Anyways, that's it. See ya.